the plant is not suited for composting activity. And today you are only agreeing to pay them 1 lakh, that is 30 lakhs per month. Might as well, the agreement, as per the agreement, the council had to pay them 20 on an average, from 18 lakhs to 43 lakhs. On an average, 29 lakhs. 29 lakhs per year, as per the concession agreement, the balance payment that was due to them. But here you are giving them 30 lakhs per month. What sort of sense and how you have arrived at this figure of 1 lakh per this? Secondly, the concession agreement was signed with the company who had right from day one said that they are not going to charge anything for treatment of waste. So now where is the question coming to pay 1 lakh for treatment of waste? This is another funny part on the part of the council to agree to this amount. So that is the reason we want to highlight that this council should not play with the easily available funds through the sanitation fees. Tomorrow, if you continue paying this 1 lakh per day, obviously the case is not going to end up within a month or a year. It will go on for years. And if you go on paying 1 lakh per day for all the number of years, your treasury will be empty. Tomorrow you will say, no, we have to increase the sanitation fees. You are going to burden the taxpayers again. This is not acceptable to us at any count. So that's why we have decided that first we will attend today's meeting. We will see what our representatives elected for the city of Margao going to decide on this issue of paying 1 lakh. Thereafter, we will have to explore legal means to see that this money is not drained out from the treasury.
आम्ही अटेंड केला जस्ट रिक्वेस्ट सामयो ते बाबा काउन्सिल मिटिंगेत काउन्सिलरान बाबा इश्यू समजून उलोवला कॉमेंटरा मागीर आमकां कळ्ळें बाबा म्युन्सिपालिटीन जे एडवोकेट आसा तेणी स्वता एग्री जाला म्हूण 1 लाख दिवपा लागून सो इन काउन्सिल मिटींग वील डिस्कस जें घडलें तें बरोबर न्ही कित्याक टॅक्स पेयराक पयशे बेश्टो म्हणूं जायना आनी कायद्याची बाजू आसा कोर्ट मॅटर इन कोर्ट सो आमी चड उलोवंक शकना सो काउन्सिल मिटींग म्हजो मॅटर आमी आतां डिस्कस केला सगळ्यांक उलयला आतां आमी मांडटले
हे 25 वर्सांचे जेन्ना एग्रीमेंट कंप्लीट जाता तेन्ना तुगेलो टोटल एमावंट सगळो 12 कोटी 20 लाख जाता. हाजीउतल्यान मडगांवकारांनी जागे जावपाची गरज आसा. म्युन्सिपालिटीन म्हयन्याक 1 लाख फारीक करप, दिसाक 1 लाख फारीक करपाची जी पळय तांकां ऑफर दिल्ली आसा फॉर्मेन तो एकदम चुकीची आसा. जेन्ना तुमी कॅन्सेशन एग्रीमेंट जेन्ना सायन केल्लो 2011 तेन्ना तुमी वर्साक 30 लाख रुपया दिवपाचे आशिल्ले सरासरी जाल्यार तुमी आतां म्हयन्याक 1 लाख रुपया खंयच्या आधाराचेर तुमी दिवपाक सोदता? दिसाक 1 लाख रुपया खंयच्या आधाराचेर तुमी दिवपाक सोदता हाचेर विचार जावपाची गरज आसा. चीफ ऑफिसरान जो आर्बिट्रेशन पॅनला बरोबर जो पळय एक निर्णय घेतलो तो चीफ ऑफिसरांनी क्लियर करपाक जाय की ताजेर कोणें दबाव हाडलो तांकां 1 लाख रुपया फारीक करपाक आमी तयार आसा म्हणून. कारण हो जेन्ना ताजेर पळय कोणें दबाव हाडलो कारण अशें म्हणटा की कावन्सील म्हणटा की आमी तांकां हो अधिकार दिलोच ना चीफ ऑफिसराक, आमी हो असो केन्नाच ठराव घेतिल्लोच ना 1 लाख रुपया दिसाक फारीक करपाचो, जाल्यार हाचेर चवकशी जावपाची आसा.
So isn't this a big scam altogether? 30 lakhs.
तूं सांग मागीर म्हाका. हांवें आयकलां त्या प्रमाणे तातूंत मिनरल्स आशिल्ली अशें तांकां पयलीं डावट आशिल्लो. तातूंत
Heavy metals clause is there and they have given permissible